Imagine icebreakers slicing through melting Arctic seas, unleashing trillions in oil, gas, and rare earths. Billionaires like Musk and Rokke racing China and Russia for the ultimate energy haul. In 2025, climate thaw opens 13% of global undiscovered oil and 30% natural gas, per USGS, sparking a $4.3 trillion upstream rush. From Alaska's North Slope to Norway's Barents, tycoons hunt untapped power. Who claims the frozen gold? Dive into the icy intrigue. The thawing jackpot. Arctic's energy bounty. Arctic holds 90 billion barrels of oil and 1,669 trillion cubic feet of gas, enough to fuel EVs, AI grids, and superyachts for decades. Melting ice unlocks routes like the Northern Sea, slashing ice erupts, shipping 40%. Rare earths. Greenland's veins power Musk's batteries. Norway's fields feed Rocke's AI dreams. 2025's melt exposes $10 trillion plus potential, but extraction costs $1 million per kilometer for ice-class rigs. Xbuzz. Arctic's the new OPEC for elites. Billionaire bets. Rokke, Risley, and Musk's shadow play. Tycoons lead the charge. Norwegian billionaire QL Ingrock S. Aker ASA drops $500 million on a Narvik AI factory above the circle, harnessing cheap Arctic hydro for data centers. Canada's John Risley launches AEDC, eyeing $1 billion in ports and renewables to secure the North. Musk. SpaceX eyes Greenland rare earths for warships. APA Corp's $200 million Sakatu JV taps Alaska gas. Billionaire X rants. Trump selling Arctic to oil barons. Stakes. Endless juice for tycoon empires. Geopolitical ice wars. China, Russia versus Western moguls. Dragons clash. China stalled $2 billion. Nordics investments pivot to Russia's Arctic LNG-2 shipping modules despite U.S. sanctions. Rosneft's Vostok oil eyes 700B barrels. Beijing funds icebreakers. U.S. counters $107 million dough for Alaska leases, fast-tracking refuge drilling. Carnegie warns cede to Sinarushan tandem or invest trillions in fleets. X alert. Senate greenlights to OM acre sell-off to big oil. Frontline melting borders for energy thrones. Eco shadows and icy fault lines. Hunt's dark side. Drilling risks spills and fragile seas. Exxon Valdez Vinci. Indigenous protests rage over land grabs. 40 nations push moratoriums. Risley's green infra hedges with hydro, but gas flares warm the melt faster. Future 20% global supply by 2040 if regs thaw. China leads with $20 billion fund. Fault, profit versus permafrost, tilting to tycoon greed.